All right, coming back to Delhi, the capital of the country, there is a looming crisis of livability today in the capital. The traffic is always deadlocked on its arterial ring roads. As a result, the air quality of Delhi is rated the worst in India and even globally. And think about the number of productive man-hours Delhi wastes in long traffic jams. Well, Delhi was given the perfect solution 7 years back in the form of the Kundli-Manesar-Palwal Expressway, which would have eliminated the entry of heavy polluting vehicles into the city. But this speedway never became a reality. Vasudha Sharma reports from Palwal on all that went wrong and can it be fixed?
60 kilometers outside the Delhi border, in adjoining Haryana's Palwal district, lies abandoned NCR's most ambitious highway. This is the Kundli-Manesar-Palwal Expressway that was commissioned in 2007 following a Supreme Court order to decongest Delhi with a new outer ring road. The KMP Expressway was to intersect 4 national highways starting from NH1 near Sonipat and then join the NH2, that is the Faridabad-Agra road near Palwal. But today, out of its 135-kilometer length, only about 50 kilometers from Palwal to Manesar has any semblance of completion. We are in Haryana's Palwal district and I am standing on the Kundli-Manesar-Palwal Expressway, which is going to be Delhi's new western outer ring road. However, this stretch, which runs from Palwal to Manesar, is only one half of the KMP Expressway. And since 2006, this is the maximum progress this expressway has ever seen. The project has been delayed by 5.5 years and today stands entangled in legal and financial controversies. The concessionaire DS Constructions has been blamed for defaulting in its performance and finances, the lack of which is in fact evident in how the expressway is caving in at various places along this route. After years of neglect, the KMP Expressway is today back in focus with the new BJP government in Haryana. The Khattar government is pushing for the KMP Expressway to be handed over to the National Highways Authority of India. And a number of options are being looked at to resolve the deadlock between the concessionaire and the lenders who are demanding their dues. Haryana's industrial arm HSIIDC can either go strictly by the terms and conditions of its agreement with the concessionaire, or it could terminate the agreement by claiming default. The agreement can also be scrapped by citing political force majeure. And the last option is to terminate with mutual consent and hand over the project to a new developer. The concessionaire on its part told NDTV, and I quote, "All the stakeholders of the KMP Expressway project are committed to the progress of the project. Meetings are being held on a regular basis and all sides are working closely to work out an amicable solution. Whatever the solution, reviving this project is sure to be a long-drawn affair."
So anybody who steps in, either NHAI does it or whoever does it, HSIDC gets it done from any other contractor, whoever comes now will have to assess and examine what the previous concessionaire has done. And only then there can be a justice to the project highway. Otherwise, this will go into another loop. The new concessionaire will start raising disputes over how the previous concessionaire has left everything. So before a new contractor is appointed, a very detailed examination is required to be done.
The KMP Expressway is crucial for the environmental future of Delhi and NCR, which are today choking under long traffic snarls and deteriorating air quality.
All the outer cordon points, around 10 lakh vehicles were there, out of which 1 lakh vehicles were almost bypassable one. They did not have any business in the city, but because of they were not having any other route, any bypassable route, they were entering the city.
Once completed, the KMP Expressway will also breathe in a new lease of life into fledgling property destinations like Kundli and Manesar, where hundreds of mid-income investors are waiting for a return on their investment. In Palwal with camera person AJ Joseph, Vasudha Sharma, NDTV.